it's Jay. Hope you guys are doing well. Thanks for tuning into my channel. Today I will be doing a DIY video for you guys on how to make this nice little coffee sleeve wall art picture frame thing. So keep watching to find out how I made this piece of art. The first thing we are probably gonna need for this coffee sleeve wall art is definitely some coffee sleeves. So, sorry my voice sounds weird. I lost my voice when I went to Disneyland, so it's a little bit off. But I have here a collection of coffee sleeves from when I have gone to get coffee at a few places. For those of you who don't know, I love going out for coffee. So I have started collecting these. I think I started late last year. So if you want to do this, either find some coffee sleeves that you already have in your house or start collecting them whenever you go out, like what I did. And then start with a photo frame that you think is big enough for the amount of coffee sleeves that you have. I got this photo frame from IKEA and it actually ended up only being $3.50. So if you're looking for something to buy that's cheap, this one was from IKEA. I also get some photo frames from from Michael's or Hobby Lobby or Target. But I feel like the crafting stores like Michael's and Hobby Lobby are a better bet. So let's start with opening this. If I could just... on top. Actually looks really cool once it's in the frame. So I'm gonna line it up. Make sure it looks good. And then you're just gonna push down those enclosures up there. Turned out well.